Hey y'all, I got this Frigidaire 7.5 cubic feet refrigerator. It's Platinum Series by Fridgerdaire. It got standard door style, got the stainless look. If you're in for a refrigerator, like for your garage or a little apartment or whatever, it's on sale at Walmart on rollback for $2.18. Regular price was $4.49, which would have made it $4.80 with my 7% taxes here in Georgia. So you can go get this refrigerator right now for $218 at Walmart. I'm going to show it to you. I just put this in now. It's new. I just got it today. I ordered it yesterday and it came today. See? Regular refrigerator.